Hi, my name is Kari Capone. Today we're going to learn how to cast on in the round using double-pointed needles. Okay, so to cast on using double-pointed needles, when you're knitting from the center of a piece outward, start with a slip knot and then cast on 3 more stitches. I'm using the long tail cast on method. And then we're going to turn these 4 stitches into 8 by knitting front and back, or KFB, in each stitch. Stitches are going to be a little bit tight, but that's okay because they're going to loosen up when we knit the next round. Okay, there's 4. Okay, so we've got 8 stitches. Now we're going to knit 2 stitches, put them on a new needle. Knit 2 more stitches, put them on the next needle, and do that all the way around until we're working with 5 needles. So we've got needle number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Okay, we'll just put that down for a minute and lay out your work so that you have all 4 needles sort of arranged in the round. And we're going to switch. When we join in the round, we're going to switch the first stitch on your left needle with the last stitch on your right needle. And you do that like that. You slip from one to the other, and then you slip this one over. Okay, so that attaches your piece in the round. And then you can take your 5th needle and we're going to knit all the way around, again, knitting front and back in each stitch. So we're changing 8 stitches and making them into 16. So here's 1. The empty needle goes in your right hand, and you keep on knitting with this next needle. It's like herding cats. There we go. As you get more and more stitches on the needle and you are rotating less frequently, this becomes easier. It's always a little tricky in the beginning. And then eventually, once you have more than about 18 stitches on each needle, you can switch to a circular needle. Okay, last one. And then the next step, which I'm not going to show you in this video, but the next thing that you do is that you'll knit plain all the way around. So you're going to continue to alternate. Let me just organize that. You're going to knit plain once all the way around, and then you'll start increasing on the corners only to build your square pillow. Did you like this video? Click on the link below to join our VIP club and receive a 20% discount code good on all of your purchases at kariskits.com. And get a 20% discount code good on all of your purchases. All of your purchases. All of them.
All of them. They really like me.
They really like me. Okay.